Hey, what's good, guys? I'm standing in front of a old fertilizer grain elevator plant here that is in the current process of being demolished. And over here I have some abandoned train tracks. And this is the Cayuga sub, and this is the Courtland part of it. So I'm not sure what's happening with these buildings I'm staying in front of. I don't know if they're going to get demolished or are they going to be saving these ones. But just looking at this side, it definitely looks like they're going to be demolishing it, which they actually are. And you can see all the rebar just sticking out of all the concrete there. And yeah, these weeds look really overgrown. I know there was one part that they stopped right on the Cayuga back in 2013 to Delhi because of a condemned trestle, and then they were continuing to run to Courtland until 2020. And I guess, I don't know, they ran all the way here till the last day, or maybe they actually just ran here until 2013. But anyways, the reason I say that is because it looks like these weeds look more overgrown than most of the weeds on the Cayuga elsewhere. So yeah, we're just gonna have a look around. I'm gonna show you the crossings and show you the deactivation notices and whatever else. Okay, so here's the first building here. Let's read what that says. So it looks like this place was closed in 2020 or somewhere in that line. I'm not sure if they switched to trucks back in 2013 or what the story was, or OSR probably came here until their last day. And it's locked, just like always. See if I can. Looks like that's a kitchen. But anyways, this looks somewhat like, I guess, a warehouse or something like that. And I guess they have like a little hangout area here. But there's a something for fertilizer up there, and it looks like it's all like locked up and condemned as well. So I think they're gonna move on to this part after. So yeah, let's just check that out. So I believe this part was where a truck would come under, and there's a little chute there that would dump it into the truck trailer. And I guess there's some buttons. I think that's to like release the chute, but I'm not sure. And yes, the power's been cut, and there's definitely no grain coming out of those. I wonder what that would do. Looks like they're saving that part or something. I'm not sure what's going on. But yeah, this looks like some kind of warehouse too. I'm not sure. Seems like this whole building's falling apart. See, chopp's broken. Oh, there's bunch of stalls in here. Anyways, guys, I'm just standing at the door, and I don't know what these stalls do or what's happening, but I just really quickly wanted to show you. So it looks like stall 12, and yeah, I should probably get out of this place. So here I am now. I'm at the railway crossing, and it looks like it's been abandoned for quite a long time, because it looks like the weeds seem to have grown. So probably been maybe mostly, it looks like a year now, because there's no trees really growing up on it. And here I'm at, just gonna check the milepost number. Looks like that light's bent up a bit. So we're at milepost 8967, and it looks like the crossing's certainly been deactivated. And yeah, so here is the crossing. Okay, I am here at the other abandoned railroad crossing on the other side of the facility. And the rails and stuff look really overgrown here. So it's how fast Mother Nature can take over. And here's the other side. And we're at Cayuga Mile 91. And here is the first crossing post. It's a Woodings rail car light set. And just when these two cars pass, like, just cut across to the other side. And here's the bell. Looks like it's a Griswold bell. Just, I can't see the engravement very well, but it definitely looks like the old classic Griswold. And these lights are safe trans. And yeah, guess we can get the bell a little ring if we try. Yeah, it's probably hard to ring. But anyways, yeah, so this is the a part of the Cayuga sub that has been abandoned over a year ago by CN. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. If you want to see more videos, just leave me a comment down below. Anyways, guys, peace.